Hello everyone, this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to set the folder view for all folders in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung File Explorer. Alright, so click mo lang yung open. So dito sa ating File Explorer homepage, so ang next step dito ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot dito sa gitna. Ito yung tinatawag na see more. So i-click mo lang yan and then select mo lang yung option. So pop up dito yung kanyang folder options. Alright, kung paano ba natin i-set to default. So una makikita mo dito yung kanyang general and then select mo lang yung view. And then dito sa kanyang folder views, so you can apply these views such as details or icons to all folders of these types. So, click mo lang ito, reset folders. And then next, dito sa folder view, so do you want to reset all folders of this type to default view? Click mo lang yung yes. And then ang susunod na ay makikita mo dito yung restore default. So, pwede mo naman itong i-click itong restore default. So, i-click mo lang ito. And then click mo lang yung apply and then click mo yung okay. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-set to default folder view for all folders in Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you at my next tutorial.